I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I eat when I break my fast. It is intermittent fasting day 3, and I am going to be so busy this morning that you know what? It's totally fine that I'm not going to be eating breakfast or lunch because I have to be so many places. I won't even notice how hungry I am. As long as I keep some water with me, I think I'll be fine. Today is day 5 of intermittent fasting. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I eat when I break my fast. And tomorrow I'm going to weigh myself and take after pictures to see what this 1 week did, because technically it hasn't been a full week until tomorrow morning. I will compare tomorrow morning's results to what I filmed the other day when I started. But right now it's 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning and I've got errands to run. So I can't eat for another 3, 4, 5, 6... a couple of hours. I just got home and I've got to get ready to leave again in like half an hour. I'm exhausted. I thought working out on an empty stomach was hard, but doing life on an empty stomach is hard. Like, I'm hungry, but I'm so distracted, I'm not always thinking about it. I'm worn out and I'm starting to get headaches, and I've got to be somewhere at 2 o'clock, which is the time that I usually do my workout, from 2 to 3, so I can break my fast at 3. I'm not gonna be able to get my workout in today before 3 o'clock, but I'm gonna have to break my fast at 3 because I am drained of energy. I have 20 minutes before I can break my fast. I'm gonna take a quick 20-minute nap, and then I will show you how I break my fast, what I eat, and talk about why I pick those items. 20 minutes on the alarm. There we go. That was not long enough. Today I chose orange peach mango, so I'm gonna grab some orange juice, and I really like this Trop 50 because it only has 50 calories per 8 ounces. And if you take a look at the ingredients, I really want you to pay attention to the sweetener. It's stevia leaf extract, so it is a healthier alternative to sugar. Plus you have the natural sugar that is in the oranges. Grab your measuring cup and measure out 8 fluid ounces, or about 8 fluid ounces. If you're looking to really save on calories, then use 4 ounces of juice and 4 ounces of water. Pour that 8 ounces of juice into the bottom of your blender. Throw in a cup of ice. I like to add a little bit more because I like to make mine more of a smoothie bowl. I'm going to use 2 scoops of my meal replacement shake. Both of these scoops equals 250 calories, but keep in mind it is a full meal replacement shake, and this is just one of my recipes. If you want to check out some others, check out the link in the cards above because I've got some really fun ones in another video. Blend it all together until it is nice and thick. This actually turned out a little bit runnier than what I like to do when I put it in a bowl. I like to sprinkle granola on top because it gives it a bit of a crunch. Today I'm going to add some all-natural honey to the top. I'm going to squeeze out about a tablespoon or 2. I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons. This looks like a lot. Not only does the granola give crunch, but it makes it feel like I'm actually eating something when I eat it as a smoothie bowl. This is a perfect meal for after a cleanse because it has such great macros. It's got 18 grams of protein, plus it's got carbs and fats, which means that it'll stay in my stomach longer and take longer to digest. And I'm actually not going to be very hungry after this, I promise, because I've done it so many times. It actually tastes great, leaves me feeling full because it's got so many micronutrients in it as well, which is why I like this particular brand of meal replacement shake. By the way, this video is not endorsed, I just really like the Isogenics. It tastes great and it's sweetened with natural sugars. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.